Hello everyone, this is my 1965 AMC Rambler Classic 770 station wagon. It has the 287 V8 and I've had it for about 5 years now. Everything is original to the car except for some of the mechanical parts that I had to fix. And let's see, I'll pop the hood here for you guys so you can see what's in here. It's way under here. This always sucks. This one hand. Okay. So, as you can see here, 287 V8. I've got this is a Motorcraft 2150 from, I think, a mid to late 70s Ford on there. Seems to work well enough, other than I've got the electric choke here full open, so it runs better. But once it gets warmed up, then everything runs fine with it. Let's see, here's the manual switch I have for the heater, because I've been trying to look for this part here, the valve, and I haven't found one yet. But had original air conditioning, so everything seems to be okay with it, but I haven't had it recharged or fixed yet, so currently it doesn't work. But that's that here, and then I'll fire it up for you guys. I already warmed it up a little bit, so let's see here. And it has manual steering, manual brakes, and I'll get it started here. Actually in park, all right. Should still be warm enough to idle. May complain a little, but I'll give you a couple looks here. Now that it's warm, it's running real well. Just replaced the brake master cylinder when I had the rear end rebuilt with the 315 ratio. For some reason there was a 287 here before, which I'm not sure why someone put that in there, because this does not have an overdrive transmission. But 315 runs a whole lot better. Manual steering. There's no brake boost or anything in here. So at some point the radiator was redone. So that is one nice thing of what the previous owner did to the car. watching, and I'll post some more videos here shortly for everyone to see. So thanks for watching.